Hi friends, this is Sheetal from Creative Sheetal D, and today's vlog is all about painting. I hope you remember my first vlog I made. It was the DIY pin-up board. So coming back to the video of the second vlog, as I was saying, as you can see now the full painting which I'm trying to view. I hope it captures. So as I was saying about the work of this painting, it is so accurately done. I had already put a masking tape all around my painting whenever I start my painting, so I get a perfect clean border. As you can see, every single detail of this painting is completely, the corners are clear cut and there is no stains anywhere around. Secondly, I pay attention on the outlining of the paintings because that highlights the whole painting of my drawings. The features are very important if you're drawing a kind of an artistic work at the centerpiece of your painting. And also what kind of pattern I would like to have on my painting. There are different type of Madhubani patterns which you can try on, which I'll definitely show you on my upcoming videos. This is one of the patterns which I have created in my painting. And yeah, I would also like to mention that all these paintings which I have done so far are also available online on Gallerist. This is the top view. I hope it's seen visible properly. All my paintings are available, as I was saying, online, and I will give you the link below in the description box, as well as you can see all the other paintings also which I'll be putting up on the blog. So friends, अभी फ़िलहाल इतना ही, और आगे के वीडियोस देखते रहेगा. Do write, share, subscribe and comment to my channel and support my channel ताकि मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिले आगे के अच्छे वीडियोस बनाने के लिए. तब तक बाय बाय, टेक केयर.